cause we have been out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl, pretty boy gang? Today, I'm looking a hot ass mess, but I do not care because I'm gonna get slayed, okay? Ooh. Today, I am doing a hair review and an install on a company called GEETA Hair from Amazon, you guys. This is the bag that it came in. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now because it didn't look like this before, but I'm about to show y'all. All right, you guys, so this is the wig right here. It is, I forgot, is it T27? I forgot when it's black and it has like the color in it, the highlight, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I already bleached the knot. I've already bleached my knots. As you guys can see, this is how it looks on my skin. The knots were not hard to bleach and they weren't hard to pluck at all. So I give them a 10 out of 10 for that. The hair definitely was not this color at first. It was a lot more brassier, like that brownish, brassier tone. I did tone the hair. I toned the hair so I can get more so of a honey blonde type look because I didn't really like that brassy brown color, but this is how it looks now. And this is the color that I wanted. It's when I pulled it out the package, and I did see some girls in the comments on TikTok that were saying, oh, my wig didn't look like that when I pulled it out. It's because y'all have to tone your wigs, you guys. And if you don't know how to tone your wigs, I can link something below. It is the purple shampoo. I forgot what it's called, but it's a purple shampoo that you guys need to get. You can find it at any hair store, any beauty supply store, Sally's, wherever, Walmart. I think Walmart may have it, I'm not sure, but yes, it's a purple shampoo and it's a toner. So I just dipped it in there a few times, you know, dip. I let her air dry. I never really blow dry my wigs. I feel like I get much more body yaddy. Shout out to What Waist Trainer. They always get your girl right. I love my freaking waist trainer, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and install her. My braids are already braided down, y'all. I'm looking real crazy and real like a little boy. I got my wine. So my installs are really simple because I don't do caps anymore. I feel like the caps are pointless. Oh, my braids look crazy. Why did I put this big ass braid right here? Now I'm wrong for that. I'm about to sleep back my edges real quick. The little edges that I do have. Nah, I do got edges, y'all. My wigs don't pull out my edges because I don't never put my wigs on my edges because my forehead is so big that I make sure that I pull my wig all the way to the front of my hair. That's why I don't do caps, because my wigs don't ever touch my the glue never touches my hair. It's always just on the forefront of my like on my skin, on my forehead. So you know, there's no reason for me to wear a cap. That's my reason for not wearing caps. But if I had edges to protect or whatever the case may be, then I would do the cap method. But my installs always eat without the caps, period. Know what I'm saying though? Know what I'm saying though? Yeah. So I'm taking my Hoola Toasted bronzer, or yeah, I guess this is a bronzer by Benefit. Shout out to Pretty Girl Chad. She put me onto this. Yeah, I need some more. But yeah, so I use this for my lace. Now, some of y'all may like to use Lace Tint or Ruby Kisses. I personally don't like the cream makeup because I feel like it always seeps through the lace. So that's just my personal preference. But I know a lot of people, they spray their laces first. Girl, let me tell you something. This is a simple 1-2 and I don't need to do all that. Okay, this gets the job done. Just put the color of your foundation. My knots are already bleached. This is just to give it that skin tone, flesh look, or whatever the case may be. Is the one that I go for because it matches my skin. Like, duh, girl, what are you talking about? All right, so let's go ahead. This is my first time trying her on. Ooh.
Yeah, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a 2-2 Maybach, pillows in the back. Too many vibes in the Philly, AK, someone gon' be attack. I get my shooter wax, eating cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime, but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and girl, I'm fuck the same, oh, how you do that, baby? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up all your blickies, how you did that? Your LV bet turn to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hoe, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go toast, but she hoop up, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I get it. Young got no one that back calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird, spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word, can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear, keep me a stupid thick purge. Young got no one that they working my nerves, I'm about to pull some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm, smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird, shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane we can't merge, so with no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in it big with P Litty, QP. I love my bitches, this pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Giver's my only decision. Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stupid thick purge.
My love is like a damn storm. My life full of fun, and I'm one of my hoes born. She never by the time, motion in it and more alarm. Any jeans with a gun, play with me it's a whole war. Ain't finished or done. We got some, but we gonna get more. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe, I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke, niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I tote. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. Hey, 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 hey.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like mine. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I'll tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, my tape if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you will listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline.